What's going on, everyone? This video brings us out to South Philadelphia, entering Delaware County. We're leaving the airport, heading on 95 South. Our destination today is the Villanova exit of the Blue Route, Lancaster Avenue. It is 6:20 on a Monday morning. Up on Prospect Park and Essington. Route 420, exit 9B through A. Oh my, you all see what that guy just did? This car right here. On the right, on the ramp. Yeah, he almost missed his exit. Wanamaker Ave. About to pass Ridley Park, exit 8.5 mile. Then we will be coming up on the Blue Route. In about 1 mile. Here's Ridley Park. That was a fast half mile. Check out the volume going northbound. Headed into the city. Definitely a much bigger commute northbound than southbound in this area in the morning. However, the Blue Route will be both directions. We may even see congestion on the Blue Route. We shall see. Alrighty, around this corner we'll be getting ready to get off the Blue Route. Onto the Blue Route, I should say. This area has been under tremendous road work. They are completely repaving this. Generally, they started at the Delaware state line. It's been ongoing since pre-pandemic, or at the start of the pandemic, and which was back in 2020. Now, I don't know how far north they're going. They may just go right up to the airport. I think that's what the intention is, but I'm not 100% sure. With repaving. And eventually there are plans way down the line for a redo between the Blue Route and the Delaware state line. Hopefully that would include a 4th lane, but not sure. Alright, here we are at the very start of Interstate 476, the Blue Route. 476 is considered the Blue Route from I95 up to exit 20, which is mid-county. Then it runs as the Northeast Extension all the way up to the Clark Summit exit. So far, not congested. How about that? I thought this would be a little backed up. And it does get very backed up here at times. Unfortunately, I don't think they will ever be able to widen this to a third or maybe even fourth lane. Simply because there's been tries for it and, well, wetland issues. There's been a lot of issues over the years. And originally when they were building this Blue Route, it was to be 3 lanes. PennDOT said, oh no, we won't need that. Even though the engineer says it's going to require 3 lanes in each direction. Well, guess what? Engineer was right, PennDOT was wrong. Based on the time to sign, not too much in the way of congestion over it. Maybe just a little slow. Just not bad for a Monday morning. But remember, it's only 6:26. At 7:30, this is probably backed up. And I'm sure we'll see something on the other side. It already looks fairly busy southbound. I reckon we can pass this guy. Coming up on exit 5, line of Springfield. 1 3/4 mile. Right now we are passing exit 3. Needy as Swaffmore. Clearly see there is more volume going southbound at this time. Much more volume going southbound. Three-fourths of a mile, line of Springfield, exit 5. Where does this one think he's going? He's going to try and pass on the right, which is a no-no. And yeah, he's not getting anywhere. His car is in front of us. Ah, he's getting off here. Okay. looks like the ramp meter's turned off here. These on-ramps have ramp meters to control the flow of volume that can come on at a time simply because they cannot add a third lane. So that's definitely going to cause some congestion soon if the rate of volume on the on-ramp keeps up like that. You can see how much more crowded it just got. You would think it would just automatically, the ramp meter would be on from 6 a.m. to at least 9 a.m. Interesting. Not sure if PennDOT activates that themselves when they see congested conditions on the camera, or it's automatic. I think they can turn it on and off manually. Definitely helps when they turn it on. Exit 9 will be the next exit. Westchester Pike is that exit. Exit 9, Broomall, Upper Darby, 1 mile. Once we get past exit 9 here, it will go to 3 lanes. And it remains a 3-lane road, all the way up to north of Lansdale on the northeast extension. Soon to be 3 lanes up to Quakertown, and then, eventually, in the coming years, several years actually, Lehigh Valley, which would be exit 56. They are working on widening the northeast extension, which is badly needed. They desperately need 3 lanes on the northeast extension up to Lehigh Valley. After that, it's pretty much okay, with exceptions to the Lehigh Tunnel on summer holiday weekends. That does get quite congested. Other than that, it does not get congested the rest of the year unless there's an incident or a lane block for some reason. Here we are, 3 lanes now. Adjust that camera a little bit, shall we? And we will be getting off at the next exit. So I think it's good as time as any to get over to the right lane. That dump truck just went from literally from the far left all the way to the center lane to the far right lane. Good Lord. And we're going to keep our distance. Not sure if you could hear that, but there is definitely stuff spewing out of that truck. Whether he has a full load or not, he's got stones coming out of there. And I hate to say this, it wouldn't be the first time we've had a cracked windshield. Oh, no. Wouldn't be the second time. Wouldn't be the third time. Would actually be the fourth time. I mean, even keeping distance from some of these vehicles. These trucks like that. It can happen. And I've had it happen. And technically, when it's a 3-lane road, that far left lane, no trucks. So he was in violation. He was in that far left lane. From my understanding, he shouldn't have been in that lane. Now, whether that just applies to 18-wheelers, or does that include him? Not 100% certain. But I think it does. I think it does include dump trucks and these box trucks you see here. Already coming up on Route 30 pretty soon, which will be St. David's, Villanova, exit 13. That's going to be our exit. As always, I'd like to thank everyone for watching these videos. And if you enjoy what you see here, enjoy my rambling and commentation while we're riding along here, and care to see where I end up next or whatever else I post next, hit the like and subscribe button down below. More than happy to have you follow me along here. Alrighty, here comes the off-ramp. Villanova, St. David's, exit 13. We'll leave you off down below at the traffic light. Whoa, look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Wow. Yeah, just come right in, little car. Where are they from, New Jersey? One thing interesting about this exit, look how many colleges there are in the signs here. Oh yes, there's a lot of colleges around here. And bad drivers such as that one that we just saw there. My Lord. Alrighty. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time. Like and subscribe down below.